Hello, it's Lewis from the Vevox customer success team here. This is just a short video to show you how to link your Vevox session and your YouTube live session together so that you can have them running side by side. So what we're going to do is click on the settings icon for our session that we want to link it to, click on features and scroll down to webcast. Now this will need to be turned on by the team at Vevox if you want to use it, but once they've turned it on, you'll see this feature here. Click on the toggle and now it's asking us to enter our webcast/webinar URL. So we're going to link it into our YouTube session. Now, when you link it into YouTube, if you're using YouTube Live, you'll be able to just copy the webinar URL. We're going to link it into a traditional video here. So if I then click on pause, click on share, and I'm going to click on embed. What I want is this code here, this HTTPS embed code with just in between those two different speech marks. So I click Control-C or right-click and copy. And then we go back to Vevox and we paste it in there. Now, once we've pasted it in, we press save, and that's now created that connection. What I want to do now is join the session as a participant or send out my invite. When you send out your invitation, people just need to click on this link. They don't need to click on your YouTube link or your YouTube webinar link. They just click on vevox.app and they'll be able to see both side by side. So I'll just right click and copy that. And I'm then going to show you how this looks. So I'll just paste that in. And here we have the Vevox app on the left, our webcast session on the right. Now, we can see that as a participant, we can go in and we can answer questions. There's also a survey that's launched here so that you can have a look at our data from our survey. You can answer that as a participant. And as you go through, you can fill that survey out. I can send in questions because this is a real session. And then I've obviously got the home screen that can tell us more information. On the right-hand side, you've got your webcast. Now, as this is a YouTube video, it's going to start from the very beginning. However, if I was joining this as a participant on a live session, it will just join live where they are in the actual presentation. You can see at the top here, you've also got the option to make the video full screen. So if you do want to hide Vevox on the left, you can make the video full screen, make it bigger, and then you'll be able to see both at the same time. So that is it for this session. But if you've got any questions, do get in touch with us at support@vevox.com. And I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Thanks. Bye.